Whether this is your very first flat iron or you're already a seasoned griddler, it's important to properly season and maintain your flat iron's cooking surface. A well-seasoned flat iron will be non-stick, easier to clean after use, and better protected from the elements and rust. Char-Griller has made this essential but simple process even easier by producing the Char-Griller Flat Iron Griddle Conditioner and Cast Iron Seasoning, a proprietary blend specifically designed to get the most out of your flat iron or cast iron cookware. Follow this simple and easy process and your flat iron will last for years to come. Grab everything you'll need and let's get started. Before doing anything else, it is important to clean the cooking surface. If this is your first time seasoning your griddle, wipe down the cooking surface with a little bit of mild soap and water to get rid of any dust or debris from shipping. This should be the one and only time soap is used to clean your griddle surface. If conditioning or re-seasoning your griddle, remove all food residue, dust, or buildup so the griddle surface is flat and smooth. Next, fire up the burners and set the temperature to high. Allow any remaining water to evaporate and the surface time to heat up. You should start to see your griddle top darken in color during this time. Using a pair of tongs or protective gloves and a towel, coat the entire griddle surface with a thin layer, usually a few tablespoons, of Char-Griller's Flat Iron Griddle Conditioner and Cast Iron Seasoning. Don't forget to get the walls or sides. Allow the conditioner and seasoning to burn or smoke off and set. When the surface stops smoking, apply another thin layer. Repeat this process at least 3 to 5 times, or until your griddle surface has turned an even, glossy black. For best results, we recommend applying a thin layer of the Char-Griller Flat Iron Griddle Conditioner and Cast Iron Seasoning after each of your first 3 or 4 cooks, as well as after each cleaning, to ensure and maintain your griddle's superior seasoning. Now you and your flat iron are ready to cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Pick up your Char-Griller Flat Iron Griddle Conditioner and Cast Iron Seasoning today. Char-Griller, seriously hardworking grills.